Howdy folks, this is your friendly neighborhood fat man with Ugly Dog Lures. Here we go. We arrived at the show. We're fixing to go set up all of our baits and get ready to hopefully sell out. So everyone wish me luck and let's get her done. Well, now we're going to start setting everything up and having a good time at it. So when we get all set up, Cody's going to decorate. And he took over that job.
Bring that over here.
We'll get back with y'all and show you what it looks like set up. Lots and lots and lots of baits.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Cody. They don't have guards on them. I wouldn't put them out there too much.
Yeah, that's what I said. Most of them have guards, but some of them don't.
Hey, Dad, do the thumbs.
You're recording.
Well, it's been a pretty good afternoon. We've sold quite a few already. Usually Friday's kind of the slower day, so tomorrow will be better and Sunday will be even better than Saturday. So we've gotten rid of some. We've got a lot more to go. Hello everybody, this is Charlie with Ugly Dog, and we have had a wonderful Friday at the sale. We sold a lot of baits. We got a full day tomorrow and a full day Sunday. But what I want to talk about is how me and Cody get people to our booth to sell our baits. Number one, smile. You know that's hard for me, but I creak one out every once in a while. Number 2,
Ask them how you're doing.
Ask them how their day has been. Number 3, be friendly. Know your baits. Know how to talk to them. Like if they come up and say, I want a walleye bait. Walleye baits are on that end of the table. I want to catch some smallmouth. Smallmouth is all right through here. Any kind of bass. It's just right here. And best of all, you'll get repeat customers. We didn't even get set up today, and our customers were here because I was in the hospital last show and I wasn't here, and they were all worried that I wasn't going to do this anymore. But I'm back full strength. The guy that just left here, he bought $50 worth. He is calling all of his buddies to tell them that I'm here. So repeat business and be friendly, and that's the best way to sell your baits. You could have a tagline like ours is the bait that bites back. And here in our town, if we was in a different town, we may change our stuff up a little bit, but here most of the people know us. And repeat business, repeat business, repeat business. That's very important. Always treat your customers with the utmost respect. Let them choose their baits. If they ask you a question, answer it. Other than that, let them choose what they want. Don't try to push this off on them, that off on them. Let them be the judge of what they want to buy. So that's the best advice I can give anybody that does these shows like we do. Now our pricing on our baits varies.
How are you doing, sir?
Like this bait's $20. This bait's $20. This bait's $20. It's 15 for the medium-sized baits.
We catch.
And then everything else on this table
crappie,
is
bluegill,
$10.
perch.
We stay
You
to our
name it.
price.
We even have some that's for.
It's just what we do. We're still making
sturgeon.
money at $10. So that's kind of what our pricing is. Don't matter if it's that long or if it's a big nice crankbait, a big jerk bait, it's $10.
We do. Huh?
It's not a big thing.
That's
No,
kind of
it's-
how it works
I'm
with us.
I'm still new to this.
Gotcha.
Someday we may do some soft
If you want
plastics, but not today.
the expert,
I'm just not up
he's
to
doing
that yet.
videos right now.
I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.
But these